Towman Dan here, guys. So we're picking up a Mazda 6 2010, side of the road. We're gonna load her up on the girl here. So we're just gonna drop the deck down. It's unattended tow. They left it here. They're out about a 50-minute drive away. Asked us to pick it up. No keys. But line up straight with her here. And I did notice it's got a neutral release. So we're gonna pop this vehicle in neutral here.
Tell your stories, I'll just pour more gin. You can watch me fall or watch me stand. Either way, I ain't changing who I am. I don't care what you think of me. I ain't built for your sympathy. I've danced with devils, prayed with saints, got blood where the mercy ain't.
Or in the cup holder.
I'll say my prayer, but if you don't like it,
I hold the brake, boom, boom, she's in neutral. Now we're just gonna load her up like normal. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna put the phone down there, guys.
Say I'm too mean, too rough, too
enjoy this
loud.
show.
Learn that talk don't feed a crowd. I've lost good love, I've lost bad friends, but I'll be fighting till the bitter end. You can judge my scars, you can curse my name, but I built this life from smoke and flame. Every mistake I made it mine. Every wrong road led to this spine. I don't care what you think of me. I ain't built for your sympathy. I've danced with devils, prayed with saints, got mud where the mercy ain't. I like my smoke, I'll say my prayer, but if you don't like it, I don't care. I ain't running from the dark no more. It's my shadow that I'm fighting for. You can't break what's made